Let's explore the coffee processing steps from planting to brewing. It is a long journey that begins on a farm and ends in your cup. In this presentation, I will be showing you how many stages it goes through from the plant's life to the coffee cup, and I will present each step in detail in future videos. First, as a continuation of the previous video that talked about bean types, I would like to add one more thing. Just sharing about pea berry. Pea berry occurs naturally when only one seed develops inside the coffee cherry instead of two. This is not a defect. It is a natural mutation that happens in about 5 to 10% of coffee cherries, and all nutrients go into one bean. The flavor is often more intense, as so many coffee lovers believe pea berry coffee has brighter acidity, more sweetness, fuller body, more concentrated flavor. Pea berry coffee is a rare and special type of coffee bean. However, the average lifespan of a coffee tree is 50 to 60 years. And over lifespan, trees often produce coffee beans with a single seed inside, and these seeds ruin the taste of the coffee. Let's go to be back the main topic underscore how many stages goes through. 1. Coffee planting and growing. Coffee begins with a seed, often called a coffee bean. These seeds are planted in nurseries and carefully grown into young plants. After 6 to 12 months, the seedlings are moved to coffee farms. Coffee plants need a warm climate, rich soil, and plenty of rain. It usually takes 3 to 4 years for a coffee plant to produce cherries. 2. Harvesting coffee cherries. When coffee cherries turn red, they are ready to be harvested. This stage is very important for quality. There are two main harvesting methods: hand picking and strip picking. 3. Coffee processing, removing the fruit. After harvesting, the fruit must be removed from the bean. This is called coffee processing. Common processing methods: wash process, natural process, and honey process. Each method affects the flavor of the coffee. 4. Drying the beans. The beans are then dried under the sun or using machines. They must reach the correct moisture level to prevent mold. This drying process can take 10 to 30 days. 5. Hulling and sorting. Once dried, the beans are hulled to remove the outer layers. After that, beans are sorted by size, weight, and quality. Defective beans are removed to ensure consistency. 6. Roasting coffee beans. Green coffee beans are roasted to develop aroma and flavor. Roasting levels include light roast, medium roast, and dark roast. Roasting transforms raw beans into the coffee we recognize. 7. Grinding coffee. Roasted beans are ground before brewing. The grind size depends on the brewing method. 8. Brewing the coffee. Finally, hot water is added to the ground coffee. This extracts flavors, oils, and aroma. Popular brewing methods include pour over, French press, cold brew, and espresso. Finally, the coffee is ready to enjoy. From a small seed to that delightful sip, it's a long and careful process. Cheers to that. Thanks for watching.